Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on app settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just come here to maximum video size, click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you select maximum video size here. Then you click here on OK. Then here automatically it's going to select with you on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.